Here are 3 signs that you are burning out and what to do to recover without losing momentum. 1. You wake up exhausted, even after sleeping, even after resting, even after doing all the things right. You still feel exhausted as you walk through your day. This isn't physical tiredness, it is emotional depletion. What do? Stop forcing yourself to push through. Pause for a moment. Take a few deep, long breaths into your belly. You need nervous system compassion, not pressure. And this will help center you. 2. You lack joy. You're still functioning, you're still achieving, you're getting things done, but you're not feeling anything. Nothing feels good and you don't feel alive anymore. What do? Reintroduce one small thing that makes you feel like you. Music, exercise, sunlight, art, even something as mundane as silence. Seeking joy is not selfish, it's refueling yourself. 3. You are irritated by small things. Everyone and everything feels too much all of a sudden. Not because the world changed, but because you are running beyond capacity. And what do? Create boundaries. When they come badgering you with emails, requests, or demands, tell them, I'll respond later. I need a moment. Not today. You don't have to earn the right to protect your peace. Burnout isn't solved by quitting your life. It is solved by realigning the way you are living. You don't need to do more. You need to come back to yourself. So breathe. Slow your pace, reclaim your presence, and remember, you are not failing. You are simply being called back home to yourself. Please follow the link below to watch the full training on burnout, and please hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Thank you.